Let's watch how drone follows many Tesla vehicles from Gigafactory Shanghai to Shanghai port, because Tesla Giga Shanghai sent fourth ship to Europe after resumption of production, and this is good news for Tesla. Welcome back, dear friends. Again, this is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please give us thumbs up for this report and subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Tesla Giga Shanghai is steadily ramping up production, delivering thousands of vehicles to Europe. It was just 2 days ago that I reported that they added the second ship. Now the factory has sent the fourth ship to the region after the resumption of production in an effort to fulfill customer orders as quickly as possible. Many people were worried that Tesla Giga Shanghai will not be able to ship vehicles to Europe, but looks like they already did the fourth shipment to Europe now. Giga Shanghai continues the excellent work of restoring production at the factory. Tesla China management excellently manages operations to ramp up production under difficult conditions. I mean, it's not easy to bring thousands of workers and house them inside the factory or nearby to operate in a closed loop work situation. Thousands of employees of Tesla company are facing difficult and unusual working conditions due to this virus government restrictions, but nonetheless continue to work hard. As I reported 2 days ago, Tesla must have fixed its supply issues because they added second shift. Jay Shanghai Twitter has shared a video showing the loading of Giga Shanghai made cars, the fourth ship sent to Europe since production resumed after the lockdown. The Horizon Leader is also the fourth ship to sail to Europe in May. At the moment, the exact number of cars loaded on the ship is not known, but it's expected that there are several thousands of them. Horizon Leader will reach Europe in June. And I'm using this video with Jay's earlier permission. Prior to this, Giga Shanghai shipped Glovis Splendor and Theben to Europe, which transported a total about of 9,000 electric Tesla vehicles. And then one Twitter user reported that the RCC Europe vessel was also sent. According to this data, there is a possibility that a total of 7 ships loaded with Tesla vehicles sailed from Shanghai in Q1. However, at the moment, he cannot confirm with certainty that the 7th ship is indeed loaded with Tesla vehicles. While the exact number of vehicles produced at Tesla Giga Shanghai is unknown, it is expected to be relatively high now after the adding of the second shift of work, despite the difficult situation Tesla is operating in Shanghai. After a 3-week stoppage of production of electric vehicles by Tesla because of the government restrictions, the factory began to gradually return to active work on April 19. As of May 23, Giga Shanghai was producing 1,000 vehicles per day, but planned to increase production significantly to 16,000 vehicles per week. I should have said 1,000 vehicles per week. Then raising it to 16,000 per week, according to a letter leaked to Reuters, which I reported a couple of days ago. To do this, Tesla is introducing, like I said, the second shift, which have started possibility to work a couple of days ago, as I reported on Wednesday. So what do you think, friends? I think this is exciting that Tesla is resuming its operations in a steady manner. I would like to hear your comments on that. Have a great day. Welcome back, everyone. Please subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up, and let's move on to our next Tesla story.